I'm talking about by one camera. I just solve it. You see why I'm king of Jamaica? International security. Number 3 on court. First chapter. But one organization, non-profit organization, non-government organization name. JFJ, Jamaicans for Justice. Them say the fact say the police them now wearing a bad one camera and so much man are dead by hand of police. Look fuck up and Oris Chan have to say something about it. And Oris Chan come and him say JFJ people them a live off of blood money. Basically means say boy the man them out there get kill them a kill all people. So if you not talking for them defense then you not them a kill people. That's the word. Oris Chan make a statement there, it look fuck up, sound fuck up. With body one cameras. You talk about body one. Talk about Nyah. Can't come on my mind now. Body one cameras. We want to have the police. I mean, I say this why. I just have to say where I see where. In terms of where people them want. At least the JFJ people them. We have the police them have camera upon them and when them go in the action, you see all of the action we go on. We don't need no body one camera and a whole of shit to go through about that. Body one camera. Every police have a phone. 2, 3 phone. Now you just chop on one pan and sitting right there. So anyway in turn, streaming live on TikTok. You fuck. You know how much TikTok views. You know what them fuck with you don't want to see on TikTok. You know how much TikTok views them when I get? Him say top up the screen. I'm talking about by one camera. The problem when them say them have Orius Chang, when they say national security and I say 1,000 camera come in, call the police them, the people them say police are kill man innocent and who want to see them. I just solve it. You see why I'm king of Jamaica?